Okay, example 3. So let f of x equal 8 minus 2x squared and find the following. So on A, we're looking for f of 2. Well, notice it has f, but now x has become a 2. So that means everything over here, or everywhere over here that there's an x, I'm going to plug in that 2 for. So we have 8 minus 2. There was an x there, so I'm just going to leave a space for it. And then I've got my squared. And we said we were going to plug in 2 for x, so we're going to put a 2 there. And they're going to work that out. So you got 8 minus 2 times 2 squared is 4. And then you got 8, you got negative 2 times 4, so minus 8, which is 0. Okay, and the second one, now you got an f of negative 4. So that means everywhere there's an x, we're going to plug in negative 4. So 8 minus 2, wherever my x is, squared. And we're plugging in this time a negative 4. So I'm going to do my exponents first. So 8 minus 2 times negative 4 squared is a positive 16. Then I'm going to multiply right here. So I get 8 minus 32, which comes out to be negative 24. And then C. C has an x minus 1 in there. So it's f of x minus 1. So same thing, 8 minus 2, it was an x, I'm going to leave it blank, squared. And this time we're going to plug in that x minus 1. Now, can I take that square and distribute it across the parenthesis there? No, because it's got that plus or minus sign. That's not allowed. So what does it mean when something's squared? That means it's times itself. So we got 8 minus 2 times x minus 1 times x minus 1. So this means we're going to have to do FOIL. So now granted, we're multiplying three things there. We're multiplying the negative 2, the x minus 1, and the x minus 1. I could multiply either two of those together first. It doesn't matter. I'm going to go ahead and do FOIL, and then I'm going to distribute that negative 2 into it. So when I do that, I get 8 minus 2, parentheses still, x times x is x squared, x times negative 1 is negative x, negative 1 times x is negative x, and negative 1 times negative 1 is positive 1. So I'm going to simplify it. It's 8 minus 2. I get x squared. Negative x minus x is negative 2x plus 1. And now I'm going to take that negative 2 and I'm going to distribute it into this parenthesis. So I'm going to keep my 8. Negative 2 times x squared is negative 2x squared. Negative 2 times negative 2x is positive 4x. And negative 2 times positive 1 is negative 2. And then my last step, I have like terms here. And we like our x squared to be written first. So I'm going to go ahead and put that negative 2x squared. And then I had a 4x, put them in descending order. And we got 8 minus 2, which is positive 6. So there's my answer for part C.